talk about the ruffler that you can put on your machines. Now this will not work for emeralds, but anything up above the emeralds, it should work for. So I just wanted to show you, I'm going to demonstrate it, and I've got it on the machine already. It's all set up, and there's a bar that has to go across the needle clamp screw, and I don't know if you can see that, but it has to go right over there. And you can kind of see it wiggling a little bit there. It goes right over the needle clamp screw, and then it goes on where your ankle for your machine goes on, and you just screw it into there. Okay, then you're going to take the fabric and you're going to put it underneath there. Okay, now you can kind of adjust this one to wherever you want it to go. If you want it to, I'm going to gather it first. That's the way I've got it setting. So right slot. Okay, I'm going to show you this. There's a bar here, and there's kind of a black bar there, and it's got kind of teeth at the end of it. You have to go in between there, and that's what I didn't have done. So I'm going to go back to the gather, and that seems like it's a little loose. Okay. There, that looks much better. See how it's gathering? So, okay, you can gather it. And then this one, it'll do every 6 stitches, and this will make more of a ruffle. Okay. Okay, and then we can go to the 12, and that's going to make a ruffle too, but it's going to make it further apart. So depending on the look that you want, you're going to have to decide, do I want it at the 6, do I want it at the 12, do I want to gather it, whatever you want to do. And there are several things that you can actually use this for. And I'm going to also show you how you can use this and attach it to a piece of fabric. Okay? So the piece that you're going to ruffle, you're going to put right side up, and there's a little peg sticking out there, kind of. You can kind of see there's the 2 little holes. You want your fabric to go underneath and then back over top and then in there. And that will sit there like that, okay? The piece that you want to gather it to, you're going to put that basically right sides together. But you're going to put that on top and right like that, okay? Now I want more of a ruffle, so I put it on the back on the 6. And you can kind of see, you got to kind of hold it, but I'm holding the top one because your bottom one is the one that's being ruffled. Okay? So you can see how it ruffled. And you want to finish the edge off? Get your serger out and serge that edge. But see how it ruffled it nicely? So that's what you can do. And generally, if you're ruffling, you need about 2 times the length of what the piece you're going to add to. If you can make sense of that. If you're going to actually gather it, you probably need at least 3 times. Now I would stitch a straight seam and press it open. And if you're going to gather it, I'd probably do like a 1/4 of an inch. And if you're going to ruffle it, I think a 1/2 inch would be all right. And then if you wanted to, I was going to say, I'll show you one little thing that I did. I put a ruffle on a towel, and I'm going to put some kind of an applique on it. And this is going in my kitchen.